I've been looking forward to unboxing this bag. Let me open it up and you'll know why. This is the latest tote from the brown buffalo. So if you follow my reviews, you might have noticed that one of my earliest sling bag that I reviewed is the brown buffalo conceal sling, the original version, which I love. Since then, I have reviewed many of the bags. I actually have two helmet bags that are the nylon version of this, and those are great. This, however, is their latest one. What do you think? There are probably some changes to it. I have to really dig up the old one to know what has been changed, but this is very well made. This bag looks complicated. I can tell you it is just very, very usable. Let me put it down here. Push this out a little bit to show you the full. There you go. That's more like it. Lots of pockets, multiple carry options, including backpack straps, which I normally don't use, but they're in there. Check out these very large water bottle space down here. This is interesting. This is a very tight and short. This is interesting. This is actually the maximum size, so it doesn't really open. That's a little unusual. There you go, that's a little bit better. It is very rigid on the top, and I'm trying to figure out why. There's a thick bit of edge here, but it's giving it that structure. It's probably useful to keep the backpack stiff. Shoulder straps, which is useful as well. And it comes with a nice little dust bag. So this is the new Conceal Tote. Let me start using it and give you a more detailed review.